Meaning of halfpenny.
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 Halfpenny. Halfpenny is a term that refers to a British coin worth half of 1 penny. It was first introduced in 1279 during the reign of King Edward I and remained in circulation until decimalisation in 1971. The word halfpenny is also used to describe something that is very cheap or of little value. The term has since become somewhat archaic, but is still occasionally used in literature and historical contexts. Overall, the term halfpenny is associated with small monetary value and is part of the history and culture of Britain.